grocery shopping. It is amazingly like cloudy and windy and possibly gonna rain today. And it's September and it's like that's the best. Oh my gosh. If it rains, I'll be so happy. It's supposed to rain for like 3 days maybe. Maybe it'll sprinkle a little bit, but probably not. That's what it means when the weather forecast in Redlands says rain. So it'll probably just sprinkle a little, but I'll still be happy about it, and it's still cooler than 100 degrees. Yay! Now that's definitely storm clouds. Yay! Can we just be real here? Like, I have like a curse when it comes to drive-thrus, and like it's been proven. Like every time I sit in a drive-thru, like it takes forever. The person in front of me orders like everything on the menu or like special orders, and I will sit in a drive-thru for like 15 minutes. It should be like 5 minutes at the most. And it's awful and I hate it, and it happens like almost every single time I go through, unless it's just me. If it's just me, then it's like 2 seconds. But if someone is in front of me, it's like 15 minutes. I don't understand it, and it's annoying. That was less than a minute for me. So now it says 3:38 on my clock. But when I left, it said 3:37, which is when I got pulled up. It said 3:37, and when I left, it said 3:37. And it was more like 4 or 5 minutes that took for them to give him his food. That's it. Like, that wasn't counting the fact that he had to order his food, and that took another 3 or 4 minutes. Like, seriously, what is happening? It is a literal curse, and I do not understand it, and I never will.